Whither do I see my mother?
With perfect blacks, NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility, and variable refresh rate 4K at 120Hz, the range of TVs from LG, the X series, may well be the very best gaming TVs available. In this video, we'll take a look at how it performs with the PlayStation 4. Let's take a closer look. Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. So my friends, in this video we'll be looking at gaming on the LG CX OLED. Now this TV is a 2020 model, it's just come out recently and I've just bought it in the last week or so. Now what you're looking at here is original settings, standard as if you just plugged in your PS4, but I'm going to go through the settings which I change it to and how I think it improves the picture. One thing that I would say is I'm really impressed with the detail. Bear in mind that this is just the standard PS4, it's not the PS4 Pro, but I also want your help and your assistance in whether that in itself is a problem. Now one thing that is greatly improved, although same hardware, is the AI Sound Pro from LG. Now I will be doing a separate video which will go into the full sound, but let me know what you think about this. The one thing that doesn't come across in that video is the level of bass. Now I will be doing a separate video about the sound on this LG OLED, so if that's something that you'd be interested in, then make sure you hit the red button to subscribe. Okay, I'm going to go through my settings that I found in a second. So these were the standard as you turn it on settings, but after a little while, a few days of playing with it, this is what I ended up going for. So obviously we went for HDR picture mode and set it to game. I brought down the OLED light, the OLED light to 92 and the contrast to 96. Brightness we brought down slightly to 46 and sharpness we took down to 6. I know some people have taken it even further. Colour we actually raised that to 57, left the tint as it was. In advanced controls, in dynamic contrast we kept that as off. Dynamic tone mapping we selected HGIG. Super resolution was off, color gamut was auto, and that was that. So everything in there was pretty standard. Okay, so next in picture options, noise reduction was off, MPEG noise reduction also off, smooth graduation off, black level set to auto, motion eye care set to off, and true motion again selected off. So these changes are not huge, they're subtle, but they have made a significant difference to my gameplay and I think they've definitely improved the picture. Now in terms of what comes across to you as you're watching this video, I imagine that the reality is slightly darker than what it is when I'm sat in my room watching it. Certainly what I'm seeing on the screen does look slightly darker, so do bear that in mind guys. So therefore try these settings yourself, and what would be really good if there's other PS4 users out there that's got this TV, if you want to leave what your settings are in the comment section, then I definitely will try it and I'm sure other people will as well. Now the other big factor for me is whether I change from the PS4 to go up to the PS4 Pro, or indeed even consider the Xbox One X. We know that the PS5 is just around the corner and there's a lot of me that is reluctant to spend that money on the PS4 Pro right now when the likelihood is I'll want to upgrade to the PS5 as soon as that comes out. But I also want the very best gaming experience. And so therefore I'd be really welcome to know what you guys think. Is it worth the difference upgrading? I will. If everybody thinks that it is, I'll definitely do it and I'll post my thoughts in a comparison video. I just don't know whether I'm going to get enough benefit from that PS4. Let me know guys what you think. Now, even if you are on a PS4 like I am here, the one thing that you will not be prepared for, certainly if you've not had an OLED before, will be the black levels. On this machine, the CX55, it is incredible. It is just so stunning. And if you look at this scene here and look at the level of detail in the middle, in the lighter parts, but the level of black in the extremities, it is just unbelievable. And in reality, obviously I'm filming this, and so you're picking up a little bit of lightness in terms of the room, the reflections and things. In reality, it's probably 60 or 70% better than what you're seeing here. Now, I'm not a serious gamer, but I'm sure somebody that is will definitely be able to get even more out of that TV if they hook up their PC with an NVIDIA card and take full advantage of that G-Sync capability. One thing that I am looking forward to is to see what comes with the PS5 and how that improves the picture. But again, referring back to that conversation earlier, I would be pleased if anyone can tell me, is there really that much point in me getting the PS4 Pro? One thing that you will need to bear in mind is the LG OLEDs will suffer more from reflection and glare than the QLED range from Samsung because they don't have that anti-reflective coating. However, in a darkish room, you're not going to notice it at all, and even when I pulled the blinds up and lightened it, it certainly wasn't that bad. So there you go guys, that is the PS4 on the OLED CX55. It works an absolute treat, it looks fantastic, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Make sure you leave a comment about that PS4 Pro though, I really want to know. Thanks my friends for watching this video, I really do look forward to seeing you on the next one. Let me know also if there's anything else that you want to know about this TV, and I will do my best to try and find out.